Ready for a big adventure? Let's discover TD Kids Universe.
NOVO, look at my hands. They look clean to me. Some tiny messes are hard to see. Let's wash them carefully. Soap and water, ready, set, let's go! Turn on the water, not too fast. Wet both hands from first to last. Add a little soap just right. Now the bubbles turn white. Palm to palm we rub away, cleaning all the busy day. Round and round, soft and slow. Watch the happy bubbles grow. Front and back and in between, every little finger clean. Thumbs and fingertips need care. Tiny bubbles everywhere. Wash, wash, clean hands bright. Front and back and left and right. Bubble scrub, rinse away. Clean little hands are ready to play. Wash, wash, take your time. Rub each finger in the rhyme. Soap and water, that's the plan. Wash, wash every hand. Rub the backs and rub the palms. Gentle circles, nice and calm. Interlace your fingers too. Let the bubbles wiggle through. Clean each thumb from top to base. Fingertips leave their own place. Muggling softly in your palm. Steady, careful, safe and calm. Count the seconds, sing along. 20 seconds makes our song. Not too hurry, not too slow. Keep that bubbly rhythm going. Wash, wash, clean hands right. Front and left and right. Bubble scrub, rinse away. Clean little hands are ready to play. Wash, wash, take your time. Rub each finger in a rhyme. Soap and water, that's the plan. Wash, wash every hand. Before we eat or help prepare, clean hands show that we take care. After bath and time is through, washing hands is what we do. After playing out all day, mud and dust can wash away. After coughs or sneezes too, soap and water help us through. Palms, rub, 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 back, scrub, 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 scrub. We clean the fingers, slide them through. Thumbs and fingertips, I can do those too. Top and bottom, every side. Take your time and do it right.
Do we need a giant mountain of soap?
No, a little is enough.
Do we splash water everywhere?
No, we use only what we need.
What happens when we're finished?
Rinse, dry, and leave the scene tidy. Rinse the bubbles, let them flow. All the soap can gently go. Turn the water off with care. Saving water everywhere. Take a clean and gentle towel. Dry each finger carefully now. Put the towel where it belongs. Clean up finishes our Wash, wash, clean hands bright. Front and back and left and right. Bubbles scrub, rinse away. Clean little hands are ready to play. Wash, wash, morning, noon. Before our snack or after the bathroom. Soap and water, that's the plan. Wash, wash every hand. The palms, clean. Fingers, clean. Thumbs, clean. Mission complete, our hands are clean. Clean hands help us learn and play. And good habits grow every day. Wash with care, then off we go. Another adventure with Lita and NOVO. To the Kids Universe. And adventures for little minds.